Meaning of champion. Champion is a noun meaning a winner of a competition or contest. It can also be used as a verb meaning to support or fight for a cause or person. 10 daily use example sentences. As a noun. 1. She is the tennis champion of the year. 2. They crowned him the world champion. 3. The team celebrated their new champion. 4. He trained hard to become a champion. 5. The champion received a gold medal. As a verb. 6. She champions the rights of women. 7. He championed the cause of education for all. 8. They champion environmental protection. 9. The organization champions free healthcare. 10. She always champions the underdog.